OpenAI has shocked the world with its latest update to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT Agent. In this video, I'll be showing you all the crazy things that you could do using ChatGPT Agent. So first of all, what is ChatGPT Agent? It is basically a combination of deep research model with an OpenAI operator. This operator lets you to perform tasks through a virtual browser on behalf of you. While the deep research model helps you to research on topics and it goes through a lot of resources and gives you a valid result. I've been using it for a couple of weeks and the results are insane. You can access this feature on the Plus and Pro plan of ChatGPT, and let me show you what I have done with it. So first of all, let me show you how to access this ChatGPT agent. You can click on these tools over here, and here you have your agent mode. While you click on this, you will have pre-made prompts over here shown. For example, I'm just going to give a prompt from here. So while you give this prompt, what it does is it enables the OpenAI operator and it opens a virtual browser. So here you can see it has accessed the virtual browser, and this OpenAI operator is going to do task on behalf of you. So this is how you are going to access this agent mode on ChatGPT. So let me show you other examples what I did. So here you can see. So basically, I have given a prompt to ChatGPT saying that I am studying at 12th standard and I am looking for colleges in and around Bangalore. So I asked ChatGPT to fetch me details about the college and also to fetch details about the entrance exams and stuff. So here you can see it has fetched me all the details over here. Here you can see the college name, and here it has given me a short note on about the entrance requirements over there in that college. It has also given me the admission links over here. It has also given me a short note on about the college. You can see over here it has given me a list of colleges in and around Bangalore. So I'll tag these links in the description. You can also go through these chats and you can have a look at it. Let me show you the second example. So in the second example, I gave a prompt to ChatGPT saying that I am looking for cybersecurity events happening in and around Bangalore, and I also asked for a short description about the events and if there is any tech giant speakers who is showing up for the event. So here you can see it has went through all the resources and it has given me the result over here. So here you can see it has given me the name of the event happening over there, and it has also given me a short description about the event, and it has also listed down the speakers who are going to show up for this event. Like this, it has given me more than 3 to 4 events that is happening in and around Bangalore. So in the third example, I gave a prompt to ChatGPT saying that I want to scale up my connections on LinkedIn and connect with industry relevant people. And I also gave the industry I'm looking for, which is cybersecurity industry. And I asked ChatGPT to search for HRs of a company or top employees of the company or higher executives of a company. Now you can see it has given me the employee's name, employee's position, and the company's name. It has also given me a company's short description, and it has given me more results over here. Like this, you can also try out similar prompts over here. I will attach all these three examples chat links in the description. You can have a look through it. The ChatGPT agent does not stop over here. You can use it for customization, you can use it for creating slideshows, you can use it for making spreadsheet, and you can use it for research and action too. That was ChatGPT agent, guys, explained to you in minutes. Let me know in the comment section what do you think of it. That's all from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.